रोज की टेंशन क्या बनाए। सिंपल भी होना चाहिए, हेल्दी भी, टेस्टी भी, बट टाइम की कमी भी रहती है। तो यही सोचते हुए आई एम मेकिंग टुडे पिज्जा पराठा, या लेट्स कॉल इट पॉकेट पिज्जास। हाय, आई एम ऋतिका एंड कंसिडरिंग कि हम लोग के पास टाइम की बहुत कमी रहती है, सो लेट्स मेक समथिंग दैट्स क्विक, सिंपल, needs nothing fancy but will be really tasty. Let's check it out. So these are my ingredients for today's dish. I have some corns, I have bell pepper, I have capsicum, carrot, onion, baby corn, mushroom, some cheese. This is simple ghar ka aata. I'm then going to use some olive oil, tomato ketchup, salt, pizza sauce and oregano. So even if you do not have pizza sauce, it's okay, tomato ketchup will suffice. And I'm using all the vegetables that I have. If you have anything more or less or whatever you prefer eating, you can add all those vegetables. These are my equipments for the day, so I'll need all of these to prepare the dish. So I'm going to chop all the vegetables, all the raw ingredients that I have. I am not using tomato here because tomato usually leaves some water. We have everything chopped, grated and churned. And now let's make the filling. Mix up all the ingredients together and add all the condiments that we have here. So our mixture is ready. I have added namak swad anusar. So add everything as per your taste and preference. I'll add the cheese towards the end. So let's get back to the next step. Next step is simple. Like every day, बस एक रोटी बेलनी है. So keep it a little thicker than normal and make it a little bigger because हमको इसको बाद में fold करना है. So our बड़ी सी roti is ready. Now let's fill it up with whatever mixture we had prepared. And in parallel, just put your pan for preheating. So if you do not have cheese, or if you prefer, you can actually put an entire cheese slice instead of the grated cheese. So up to your preference and up to availability of the ingredients that you have. So I'm greasing the pan a little so that it doesn't stick. And I'll place this inside the pan. And similar to how you make a paratha, just bake it a little. Let's wait for it to be done. This is happening. I did something that is really tedious for us every day, which is to clean the utensils. So I've utilized the time. Okay, so I'm bringing this down to chop it. Pockets are ready and ready to serve. An extra cheese garnishing never harms, so I'll just add a little cheese on top of this. Well, this is how my pocket pizzas look like. I hope you find it easy and you will give it a try. Well, I got to go. I won't really want to try these. So, bye.